Purple Stacy and I'm playing Animal Jam.
Yeah, with me, Dust46.
Yeah. Oh, and she does have a channel. He has a channel.
Yeah, and then so, wait, come here.
So I'm trying to get a boyfriend, so he's just gonna have to wait.
That's rude. Literally, this person just said that's rude.
What?
Oh, cause their mom left and like deleted their buddies again. No, that happens. I hate being for that.
I know. What?
Oh, this person needs puppies. Can I be a puppy right now?
What?
I don't want to be a puppy. I don't know what I should be. Guys, what should it be? No. I don't know. Oh no, chicken noodles. This person said chicken noodles.
Why?
And this person said where? That was funny.
Let's play. What?
What? Ooh, tiki mask. I need a tiki mask. Oh, I must have done it. Tiki mask. Tiki mask.
Okay. It's perfect in. Sorry. I think I like this one, dude. Look. But I don't know if he's an old man, because my last boyfriend was an old man.
Oh well. Please be a puppy.
Let's play. Say it?
Oh, don't answer no. Whatever. I need to get a girl. That's what I need to get. But I don't have a girl, guys. So if you want my girl, just say yes or no.
He's wolf life. I just don't trust him. What? Who in the world? It's a boy.
Ooh, ask him. Ask him out.
I'm gonna put it with him first.
Alright. Wait, I'm coming to where you are because I want to see this happen.
Okay, hurry. Because he might leave.
What is Brian going to play?
I like your style.
Oh, Brian, my thing is still recorded. Uploading. It's right here, so don't mess with it, okay? You can do whatever you want, just don't click the sound button.
Okay. Let's see if he sends another letter. Come on. Did he just ask me? Like, what the?
Whoa! It signed me out, guys. That's not right.
Try to hit the play button.
I can't. This is not my account. That's someone else's account.
I click it every day and it works for me because I have an account.
I
One's
can't.
A.
It's not your account. It's someone else's. Right. I'm gonna put my password in.
Number 64? No, 46.
It's just 46. What? I took my password in.
Just 40.
He sent me a letter.
Thank you. Next letter you
I
do.
like your name.
Okay, next letter you do, you want to do like this. Move it down to here. You are lots of fun. Yeah, you want to flip it with him, then you want to get him. I'm putting my password in wrong, it says. And I'm not.
He's dancing with me.
Oh, okay, I got it in. That took like forever.
He's dancing with me.
I don't want to save a password.
What do I do?
Come hack me.
What do I do?
Are you a teddy bear?
I'm confused.
You should work on trading with him and stuff.
You should be a teddy bear.
Oh, I'm a male. Okay, and then say I'm female. They'll get into you. You'll get into you. Yeah, I'll try to do that. I'm very fast.
Snip my nose, snip my nose.
He said, okay.
Try to guy without the hazard just like me. But I want the cleats. I want the little cleats. Try maybe when me and you go on, can I get those cleats? Yeah, cleats.
I don't know.
Because you have to make my character on the phone.
I see you. Hello. I'm hiding behind the card.
He won't talk to me now.
Alright, ask him if he likes you.
Wait, try.
Go to his den if it's not unlocked.
Wait, try. I'm going
And
to
then that's when you smooth it over.
try.
Oh, don't I can't click on it. Okay, I'll just go.
Try.
I want to watch. Oh no, it's locked. What's his name? What's his name? Dark Pit 14. Okay, I got this. Shout out to him if he says yes. Yo, friend me. Free me. Okay, he's my buddy. To your day, to your day. Don't worry, I got this.
Okay.
What? Nora, where'd you go? Nora, where'd you go? You're gone.
I'm still there.
A tiger just came.
No, that's him. That's him.
There, I kind of smoothed things over. I said, do you like her? She likes you. I sent him a message.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
They're best friends. I can see
Whoa!
Stop.
I like your pipe.
Hey, if you guys
It's not
if you guys do get, do you want to have the marriage at my house? Because I got all that space and stuff.
Whatever.
Okay, can we have it in the
He won't
basement?
answer me. Come on. He's like, he's dancing. Should I dance with him?
Sure.
So I can make that guy my teammate too.
It's up to him.
I don't even have teammates. I only have one teammate, and that's
He said
Shiny
yes.
Buddy.
He likes me.
And that's Shiny.
Oh.
You're married to him.
Yours married?
No.
Yes, and
No.
look at that green guy. That green line said.
No, we like each other. Dude, look. Oh, snap. That's me. Oh, snap.
You got married?
I am Master Chef from Halo.
I can't believe it, Nora, you got married.
No, I did not. I'm too young.
Okay.
Shiny, go inside his den.
Edge is in my
So
Dust.
cool.
friend.
Dust, go inside his den.
It's
7.
30.
Where is he? Oh, I'm at my den. What the fuck?
Okay, you're getting married at my den, dude. I have to go make the marriage area. Oh,
Stop being married.
dude, you're getting married.
No.
First time.
We're getting married.
It's
No,
just-
you're getting married.
It's just in the game.
Nora's getting married.
Yeah, Nora's getting married. getting married. Nora's getting married.
Do you have to cover your mouth again?
Move.
Nora, you're getting married. Nora's getting married. Nora's getting married.
Nora, come to
New
my
game.
Nora's getting
Nora, come to my den. You can get ready in my bathroom.
So you need
I gotta get ready though. I gotta get something. I gotta get clothes.
Dude, 1 more minute until it happens.
I need clothes.
Here, I'll get you a bunch of white stuff. I'll get you a tiara.
Or I could just do this.
Okay, yeah, I'll get you a tiara.
stereo. Get that.
This would, who just friend me? Oh, it's Lavender Heart. I think I know her. This, try it.
What?
I'll show you the ring. Let's give you my ring. Right? This one.
It's not a ring, but okay.
It's a bracelet. We had no ring.
Shall
The rings I remember.
Get a water
Not all of
place.
them. There's some
Should I get a
non-memory
place
ones, but they
with
cost so
water?
much. Oh, I don't even have enough money for.
Well, I'm in the diamond shop. Whatever.
I have no money.
Don't spit, RJ. You spit on my leg. Oh, and we're gonna make a special video of the marriage. So, gotta stop recording. Sorry. Be right back. BRB.